In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Squarespace. We'll walk through finding Squarespace from a Google search, getting into your account dashboard, opening your website, and navigating straight to the font settings inside Site Styles so you can quickly fine-tune your typography. I'll also point out where to review permissions if you collaborate with others. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything lives and how to get there fast. Start by opening your browser and searching for Squarespace on Google. In the results, click the official Squarespace link. A quick tip here: make sure you're on the authentic site before you sign in, and consider bookmarking the page you use most so you can return in one click next time. On the Squarespace homepage, look to the top corner for the profile icon and click it. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're in, choose Account Dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your command center. It's where all your sites and key settings are organized. From the dashboard, select Website. If you manage more than one site, you'll see them listed here. Choose the one you want to work on so you land in that site's editor and settings area. This keeps the next steps focused on the correct project. Inside your site, use the search bar at the top of the settings panel and type Fonts. The built-in search is the fastest way to jump to specific design controls without hunting through menus, and it's great to remember when you need to reach any setting quickly. Next, head into Site Styles, then select Fonts. Here's where you'll control the look and feel of your text across the site. You'll see options for headings, paragraphs, and other text elements. As you adjust font families, weights, and sizes, pay attention to the live preview so you can confirm readability and hierarchy. A practical guideline: choose a clear, legible font for body text and a complementary, bolder style for headings. Keep contrast high for accessibility, and preview on both desktop and mobile views to make sure your choices look great everywhere. Continue refining within the Fonts panel until your typography reflects your brand's tone: clean and modern, elegant and serifed, or anything in between. Small adjustments in size and line spacing can dramatically improve clarity and balance. Finally, if you collaborate with teammates or contractors, open the Permissions area from your site settings to review who can access and change design settings. Confirm that only the right people have editing rights, which helps maintain consistency. That's it. You've navigated from Google to Squarespace, reached your dashboard, opened your website, and honed your fonts and site styles with confidence.